Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about absolute value of a number. So, absolute value. The absolute value of a number is the distance between the number and the zero. So, on the definition, distance siya. Pag mayroon tayo ng distance, it is always positive. So, the absolute value of a number is the distance between that number and zero. It is denoted by this sign. This sign or the symbol. 2 bars. Dalawang bars. So, pag magsasabi tayo ng absolute value, pwede na natin lagyan ng ganito. 2 bars. Example. 2. The absolute value of 2. So, from the word distance, so, ang distance niya ay 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. Absolute value niya from the distance. Next. Absolute value of negative 2 is equal to 2. Dahil distance lang naman yung hinahanap natin. Which is, ang distance is always a positive. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Next. Negative absolute. So, negative absolute of 2. So, makita natin dito, kung magbase lang tayo sa absolute, pag masabi tayo ng absolute is the distance which is always positive. Kung magbabase lang tayo dito sa absolute, is the absolute of 2 is 2. Pero meron namang negative dito, so kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng negative 2. Dahil in the given. Pero kung yung negative is nasa loob, magiging positive yan. Pero dahil nasa labas siya ng absolute value, hindi natin pwedeng lagyan ng positive dahil nandun lang sa labas. Which is, kailangan natin siyang gayahin ng sign dito. Pag gayahin natin ang sign dito, pag nandito na tayo sa 1. So, negative absolute of 2. So, the absolute is 2. But, meron tayong negative sign. So, negative 2. The negative absolute value of 2 is negative 2. Dahil meron siyang negative sign sa baba. Kuha niyo ba? So, recap muna tayo. Ang symbol ng absolute value is ganito. May dalawang 2 bars. Yes ba? The absolute value of a number is the distance between that number and 0. Kuha na ba? Sit tayo. So, tulad dito, absolute value. So, makita dito, negative 4 is opposite to positive 4. Kung nakita niyo yung video, ang last video ko, ay maninuro ako dito. So, example, what is the distance of 4 from 0? Distance from 4 to 0. 4, so 0, papunta sa 4. So, is equal to 4. So, the distance, positive, di ba? So, 0. So, the absolute value of 4 is equal to 4. From the question, what is the distance of 4 from 0? Is equal to 4. Next. What is the distance of negative 4 from 0? So, kung gagamitan natin siya ng symbol, nakaganito siya. Negative 4, absolute of negative 4. So, the distance is 4. Nahanap lang naman natin yung distance. So, matawag natin na 4. Gets nyo na ba? Okay. Yan lamang sa araw na ito. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito about absolute value. Recap, this is the symbol. Yung dalawang bars. Pag nasa loob, always positive yan. As long as walang negative sign dito sa absolute value. Kung may negative man, kung nasa loob, matawag natin, positive pa rin yan. Pero kung nasa labas na yung negative sign, iba na yan. Negative na yung sign yan. Okay? Kuha nyo ba? Hindi ba complicated? Sige. Okay? I hope nga meron kayo natutunan sa araw na ito. Please like and subscribe.